Here's how to record sales on Zoho Books, ideal for tracking revenue, issuing invoices, and managing cash flow. First, log into your account at zoho.com/books and head to your dashboard. From the left menu, click on Sales, then select Invoices or Sales Orders, depending on what you want to create. Click the plus new button in the top right corner. Now, choose or add a customer, enter the invoice date, payment terms, and add the products or services sold. Fill in the quantity, rate, tax details, and any discount if applicable. You can also attach files, write notes, or apply a custom template if you set one up. Next, choose the payment mode, cash card, bank transfer, or online payment link. When you're ready, click Save and Send to email the invoice, or just save to keep it for records. You'll now see this sale recorded under your Sales and Reports tab automatically. And that's how to quickly record sales in Zoho Books. Smart, simple, and built for small businesses' success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.